In this video, I'll show you a simple workflow to do audience research with AI. You'll learn how to turn random information from your market into clear insights you can use for your content, your offers, and your sales pages. You don't need to be a data nerd. You just need a basic AI tool and about an hour of focused time. Most entrepreneurs guess. They guess what their audience wants. They guess why people don't buy. They guess what to write on their website or in their ads. Maybe you recognize this. You sit down to write a post or a landing page and you think, I know my audience, but somehow this still feels vague. So you write something generic like, I help busy entrepreneurs grow faster, and hope it lands. Or you have a good offer, but you're not sure how to position it. You think, people should want this. Why is nobody clicking? That's what happens when your audience research lives only in your head. It's based on vibes instead of real language and real problems. Good marketing is basically repeating your audience's thoughts back to them, but with a solution attached. If you know their frustrations, fears, desires, and exact words, writing becomes much easier. AI can help you with that, but only if you feed it the right input. So in this video, I'll walk you through a 5-step workflow. Collect raw audience data, let AI clean and summarize it, find key pains, desires, and objections. Turn that into audience profiles, turn the profiles into content and copy ideas. You can use this whether you're a coach, agency owner, e-commerce brand, or local service business. Step 1. Collect real audience data. First, you need real words from real people. AI is not a magic shortcut if you feed it thin or made-up data. Here are places you can pull from: past client messages or emails, testimonials and reviews, comments and DMs, niche forums or communities, reviews of competitors. Pick at least 20-50 short pieces of text. For example, reviews, comments, short quotes from calls. Paste them into a document. Then you tell your AI tool something like, you are a marketing researcher. I will paste raw comments from my target audience. Don't rewrite yet. Just confirm when you're ready to analyze. Then paste the text in chunks. The goal of this step is simple. Get the messy, real language into the AI. Step 2. Clean and organize with AI. Now we ask AI to clean things up. Prompt example. From the text above, extract only direct quotes or clear statements from the audience. Remove names and personal details. Put each quote on a new line, in a clean list. You'll get a structured list, instead of a wall of screenshots and messy notes. If you want, you can add, if a quote is too long, shorten it, but keep the original meaning and tone. Now you have a clean data set to work with. This already saves you a lot of time compared to doing it manually. Step 3. Find pains, desires, and objections. Next, you ask AI to find patterns. Prompt example. Act as a senior marketing strategist. From these audience quotes, group them into 3 to 7 main pain points, 3 to 7 main desires, 3 to 7 common objections or doubts about buying. For each item, give a short label, a 1 to 2 sentence explanation, 2 to 3 direct quotes as examples. Now you move from random quotes to clear categories like overwhelmed by marketing tools, afraid to waste money on ads, want more consistent clients without working more hours. This is where you start to see your audience more clearly. You'll probably read it and think, yes, this is exactly what they say. Step 4. Build a simple audience profile. Now we turn those insights into a practical profile you can actually use. Prompt example. Based on the pains, desires, and objections you just listed, write one ideal customer profile. Include who they are, business, role, situation, their main goals, their main frustrations, what they've already tried, what they secretly want. Write it in simple language, no buzzwords. You don't need a 10-page persona document. One clear page that feels real is enough. Read it and adjust. If something feels off, tell AI, this part is not accurate, update it like this, make it your own. It's a starting point, not the holy truth. Step 5. Turn insights into content and copy ideas. Now we connect audience research to real marketing. Prompt example. Using the audience profile, pains, desires, and objections, create 10 content ideas for social media, 5 email ideas, 10 headline ideas for a landing page. Focus on being specific, not generic. Use the same tone and language as the quotes. You'll get ideas like, why doing more marketing isn't your problem. 3 signs your audience is confused by your offer. The real reason your last campaign didn't convert. From here, you can pick and choose, and then refine each idea with AI again. Let's say you're a business coach for freelancers who want more stable income. You collect 30 quotes from past client messages, 10 testimonials, 20 comments from a Facebook group for freelancers. You paste them into AI, clean them up, and then you get patterns like pain, unpredictable income, pain, clients disappearing after one project, desire, retainer clients so I can relax, objection, I'm scared to charge more because clients might leave. Then AI builds a profile. A freelance designer in their 30s, always chasing the next project, tired of feast or famine income, scared to raise prices, secretly wants a small set of loyal, well-paying clients. Now, when you write a post, instead of saying, "Do you want to grow your business?" you can say, "Tired of wondering if you can pay yourself next month?" Instead of, "I help freelancers get more clients," you can say, "I help freelancers turn one-off projects into long-term clients." So your income finally feels stable. That's the power of AI-assisted audience research. It gives you the exact words that make people feel seen. So that's the workflow. Collect real audience data, clean and organize with AI. Find pains, desires, and objections. Build a simple audience profile. Turn it into content and copy ideas. You don't have to guess what your audience wants. You can actually look at their words, use AI to find patterns, and then speak directly to what they care about. If you found this helpful and you want to use AI not just for fun prompts, but to grow your business smarter, make sure to subscribe to Luminous Growth. And if you want me to break down my favorite prompts or do a live audience research session for a specific niche, let me know in the comments.